Hi everybody, my name is Cecilia Pino. I have been studying in youth and adult correctional intervention for 2 years now. I'm in my third semester. My program consists of working with children and adults with a difficult past, several mental health problems like depression, bipolarity, substance addiction, and more often than not, they have a problem with the law. In my future career, I will be asked to refer clients to the right resource depending on the problem they have. This is how the website I will present you will come in handy, because I can't know every resource all over Quebec by heart. I also don't want to send my client to the wrong service and look incompetent. So now I'm going to show you how to use the website 211. In the top left corner of the screen, you can see my browser. For my laptop, it's Safari. You click on it and you open a new tab. In the top middle part of my screen, you have the address bar. This is where you write the URL of the website. When you're done, you press enter. On the top left side of my screen, you have the maximize button to put my screen in full screen. In the middle part of my screen, you can see two boxes that explains to you how to find a service on this website. It's either by the name of the resource and the city that you live in, which is already written Montreal here, or by the topic that is related to your problem. For my example, it's going to be a 20-year-old man that is tired of sniffing cocaine. So he came to see me so I can send him to rehab. I'm located in Onsic in Montreal. So I'm going to choose mental health and addiction icon. After that, I'm going to press on addiction treatment. The website will now show me a map with all the services that offers addiction treatments in Montreal. Since I'm located in Onsic, I'm going to click on number 3, which is near Onsic College, to see my options. In that area, there's 3 black buttons on the map. But since I know a little bit about Onsic, I'm going to choose the one near Onsic College. If I click on it, I will see a lot of information about the resource I chose appearing. I have the name of the resource. Now I have the address, but for some places, the address is private for security reasons. I have the phone number, the website, and I can click on a link and it gives me a full portrait of the organism. It tells me about the clientele I can send there, about the fees to go there. It tells me all the services they offer there, and the language that you can be served in. Everything you need to know to make an informed decision is there. When I'm sure that my client is going to the right place for him and for his problem, I can close the website and my browser by clicking on the red closing button in the top left corner of my screen. The best part about that website is that you don't need to be a professional to use it. Everybody has access to it. Thank you for listening, and I hope it will be useful for you and your future clients.